So we are back with one more video, and this time we will be looking at date function in Power Query Editor. In last few video we have seen text functions, how to do concatenation, how to split columns when you have text with the help of different delimiters. We have also seen how to add new columns and perform some kind of functions on that. In this video we will be looking at the date functions, different types of date functions, and we have one column here. You can see this is a different dates we have in column as date key, and we want to get output like this from this date key. So for example, we want out of this date we want only year number, we want month number, we want month name, month short name like day number, what is the day name on this date. For example, first 2010 is Friday. We also want to extract only quarters, for example 1/1/2010, so in which quarter this date falls. So we want to see these kind of solutions with the help of date functions in Power Query Editor. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to create table. For that you need to press Ctrl T. My table has header, so I will click OK, and then you need to click on data. Click on From Table. A new window will pop up. This is Power Query Editor. You can see this is my the same table which you have seen in Excel. I have pulled the data into Power Query Editor. Now I can see that time has been also added here. So I don't want time, I only want date. So what I will do is that I will select this column and I will click on transform, and here you can see there's a button date time. So I will click on that option, and here you can see you have date only option. So I will click on date, and you can see I will just replace current. So you can see we have got only date as this was in Excel. Now you can see here we have basically three functions area. This is text functions, this is the number function, and this is the date function. So when you want to do anything with the on text, then you need to use text function. If you have numbers in your columns, then you need to perform number functions. But in this case we have date functions, we have date in our column, so we will be doing with the help of this function, which is the date function. So remember we have three functions: text function, number function, and date function. So I have selected the column, and I will see one by one what types of operation we can perform here. First thing is age. I don't think that will be relevant here. If you have date of birthday in the list, then if you will click on age, then it will give you age. But I think okay. So what I have done is that I have not taken new column, so the operation result has come into the same column. So I will undo this, and what I will do is I will add column. Okay, so if you are using transform function, then also you will be seeing same the menu, but only thing is that in transform the output is shown into the same column. That means the data will go away. I mean the whatever data you were having previously, that will go away. So if I will take add column, and if I will perform date function, for example age, then a new column will be generated, and your previous data will be also will be still there. So in this case you can see the age, this is they are giving by default into number of days. Now no one see their date age as number of days. So this what we can do is that we can change this by clicking and just select this column, and you can see this is duration, number of days is duration, we want in year. So you can see date and time function is not active because that is of no use when for this column. So duration is of use for this column. So you can see when you will click on this duration, then you can see there is so many options. Even you can calculate your age in hours, in minutes, in seconds. Now I want my age in total years, so I will click on total years, and they have given you total years. Now I don't need this column, so I can remove this column. Now you can see this is total years, and this is a age, so you can write age. Okay, now again you can see there is 10.677. no one want to see their age like this, so I will change this as a whole number. Okay, so now you can see they are giving you different age as per this date. Now next thing I want to do from this column is I want to know what is the year in this date. Okay, so for example this is 2010, so if I will click on year, then this will extract the year, and you can see it will give you only the year. So in this date year is 2010. Similarly, if you will go down, then I think in this case we have, in all the cases, yeah, you can see we have 2011. So here the date is 1/18/2011, that is 18th Jan 2011, so year is 2011. So this function will give you only year. Now again I am in this column and I want to calculate what is the month. Okay, what is the month? So in this date, what is the month? 1st January is the first month. Again, if you will go down, you can see 25th February, this is month is second, so they are taking only month in numbers. Now what can I now I want month, but this time I want month name of the month, right? So one is fine, but can I want like January, February, like this? So I have to click on name of the month. You can see 11th January, this is January. You can see 5th of March, 5/3/5/2010 is 5th of March, and you are seeing March has been extracted. So this is also one functionality on Power Query Editor in date function. Now I want in this case I want to extract, say, only quarter or quarter of the year. So what I mean is that they have given you the quarter, right? So you can see the 11/1/2010 or 11th of January is first quarter. Similarly, if you go down, you can see here we have third quarter, that is the July 6th is third quarter as for calendar year which starts from January and ends on December. So by default the system is taking calendar year, not fiscal year. Similarly, we can perform some more functions, like I want day as name. Okay, I want name of day. So like here we have month name, here we have day name. In 2010, 1st January was Friday. On 14th January 2010, the day was Thursday. Okay, so this is direct extraction of data from any date. So you can see without typing any formula, with the help of just button clicks, we can perform this kind of function in Power Query Editor. Let's try some more things. Now this time already I think we have done the quarters. You can see if you want to start a quarter, end of quarter, you can do that. Just I'm checking if there is any interesting things remaining, or otherwise. Okay, so you can see rest of things I think is self-explanatory. You can perform as per your requirement. Now I don't